Artificial Intelligence and Deep Learning Certification. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on developing intelligent machines capable of simulating human intelligence. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which itself falls under the broader umbrella of AI. It is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, specifically neural networks, and aims to mimic their behavior to process and interpret complex data. Why is certification important? Credibility and recognition. AI and deep learning certifications provide a tangible proof of a person's capabilities and expertise. Career advancement. Certification can significantly boost career prospects. Standardization. Certification programs establish a standardized framework for assessing and validating skills. Popular AI and deep learning certifications. AWS Certified Machine Learning. Amazon Web Services, AWS, offers the AWS Certified Machine Learning certification, which validates expertise in building, training, and deploying machine learning models using AWS services like Amazon SageMaker and AWS Deep Learning AMIs. Google Cloud Certified Machine Learning Engineer. This certification by Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is designed for professionals who demonstrate their ability to design, build, and deploy machine learning models using GCP technologies like TensorFlow and AI Platform. Preparing for an AI and deep learning certification. Understand the certification exam. Familiarize yourself with the exam structure, format, and topics covered. Assess your current knowledge. Evaluate your existing knowledge and skills in AI and deep learning. Practice with sample questions. Obtain sample questions or practice exams related to the certification. Importance of AI and deep learning certification in career advancement. Demonstrating expertise. Certifications validate your knowledge and skills in AI and deep learning. Increased job opportunities. AI is becoming increasingly pervasive across industries, and organizations are actively seeking professionals with AI and deep learning skills. Competitive advantage. In a competitive job market, certifications set you apart from other candidates. Salary boost. AI and deep learning certifications can have a positive impact on your earning potential. Comparison of AI and deep learning certification programs. Program focus. Evaluate the program's focus and alignment with your career goals and interests. Curriculum and depth of coverage. Assess the curriculum and depth of coverage offered by each certification program. Conclusion and final thoughts. AI and deep learning certifications play a vital role in enhancing your knowledge, skills, and career opportunities in these rapidly evolving fields. Reputable certifications from recognized organizations, with comprehensive curricula, hands-on projects, and practical experience, are likely to hold more value.